How to change language on Temu application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change the language on your Temu application. So if you haven't already, just make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed Temu application on your Android device. And once you have successfully downloaded and installed your application on your device, just make sure you have successfully signed in to it as well. As you can see, I've already signed in using my Gmail account. So the thing I want you to do is simply click on top right corner. As you can see, there is a gear icon or settings icon, so simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will be seeing this option called language. So simply select it, and based on your preferred language, as you can see, here is only a limited number of language. You can't scroll or get languages more than 10 languages. As you can see, there are only 10 languages. So from this, if you have a preferred language or choice, you can simply toggle between the language just like this. So if you want to change it back, simply head over to settings once again and simply click on language again, and just like that you can select it once again. So that is exactly how you can easily change the language on Temu application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.